what's up? Today's another video of Alesha and Bella, and today we're at Chichén Itzá in Mexico.
Ooh. These guys are guarding the temple.
Oh my god, they're massive.
Can't get past these guys.
This guy is actually so big. That's massive one.
What are the names?
I don't know. What's the name?
Chips and pizza.
What the?
Oh! You heard that? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Tequila!
Good job, Melanie. Good job.
Too hot.
Oh yeah. Mayan dog.
Someone's dog.
Ve que se nos hostia ati pa peski man se tulak le mukya ha tulak le tos pa lo.
Down we go to the cenote. Are you scared?
Yeah, look at it.
Okay. Let's see. Have a little look. What is this? Bats. Look at the bats.
There's fish in the water. Look.
There's fish in there. Fun. Watch out for the bats. They're coming to bomb you. Chichén Itzá and a scary cave. Marks out of 10.
Ooh, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I really like it. The pain is super cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this with your friends. Bye. Adios.